What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy here from Stay Snatched, and today we're making a pizza casserole. This dish is keto friendly and low carb, and it's absolutely perfect for meal prep. So let's get started. First, you want to drizzle a teaspoon of olive oil in a pan and go ahead and add half a cup of chopped onions. Make sure those are translucent and fragrant, and then add in 2 garlic cloves. Give that a good stir, and then add in 1 pound of ground beef along with some seasoning. And then I like to use my meat chopper to grind up that beef. It makes it so quick and easy to do. So go ahead and chop and stir away. And then add 2 ounces of cream cheese along with 1 cup of marinara sauce. Give that a nice and good stir. And then you can go ahead and remove that pan from the heat and add 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of cream. And go ahead and beat those eggs along with that cream. And then add in a little bit of mozzarella cheese. Then go ahead and oil your pan. I like to use a 9x13 baking dish, and then add that ground beef mixture to the pan. Spread that out. And then add your eggs and cream mixture on top. And then stir that about. And then you want to add your pepperoni and some mozzarella cheese. If you want the pepperoni to stick out on top, add your mozzarella cheese first and then add the pepperoni on top. And then go ahead and bake that in a 350-degree oven for about 17 to 20 minutes. And voila, pizza casserole, quick and easy to make.